Hi everyone, Nancy here with another mini book from Button Farm Club, and I just wanted to introduce you to some beautiful folios from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, as well as that beautiful frame on the cover from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. So this is designed specifically for Button Farm Club. I will not be teaching this in any stores, so if you want to get this kit, get it from Button Farm Club. Well, let's look at the cover. I have several different collections from Prima that I added to this book. They all went together. It's all papers I absolutely adore. And I just wanted to get you a little bit closer so you could see that gorgeous frame and the Prima flowers and the rose gold, including the feathers. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So the very first page of the folio is a fold-out. Room for photos, as well as tags and journaling spots. Fold that up, and we have the second half of the cover. And you'll see the close-up of that beautiful love with the flowers. That is all part of ephemera packet that you will get with this kit. This is it. It has 44 pieces altogether, and it's suitable for any special occasion, including wedding, anniversary, graduation. It's really beautiful. There's some gorgeous pieces in there, and they're appropriate so that you can place them with any photos you would want to do. I've used some on this, so you'll see it as we go through. This center section is a pocket. It's a side pocket, and you can see the rose gold with it. So pretty and shiny. And the pocket holds a flip, little booklet. And that rose gold again. I just love that. So many photos on here. You can get 2 4x6 photos on each of the inserts. And this Moments is one of those from the ephemera packet. So you'll see several of those throughout the booklet. Whoop. There we go. This page is one of my favorites. I love this. Okay, so watch this. Open. Open. And open. So 6 more pages just on that alone. Plus you have room here for a nice big 5x7 if you want, or 2 more 4x6s, whatever you want to do with that. Open this up. Let me get down here. There we go. And there's another flip. Let's close this up. And we have another flip here. What I did on this one was build a belly band, so you could have room for more photos, but this is my favorite. How cool is that? 4 more photos with journaling spots. Open that up, and you have the bottom inside flap with 2 more spots for photos, a center with more flip outs, and this one opens, and then a top flip. Whoop. Pardon me. A top flip with another photo mat. So, this is our book, the newest book for Button Farm Club. Hope you like it. Has all kinds of books and of course comes with everything you need to complete this. Pretty, huh? Oh man, I love that rose gold. And it's available, like I said, at Button Farm. Thank you.